What we've agreed as Unipart is to work exclusively in South Africa and Africa with Rail. We're going to bring all our capability from Europe. We're going to bring all our smart systems and all the things that we've learned over many years in Europe to Africa via Rail. So yeah, really exciting times. And today just sort of was the culmination of all that work we've been doing over the years. So yeah, looking forward to it. It's a really exciting opportunity.
Thank you for joining us. It's a very exciting day for us today. We've worked the last few years on this, and for us it's an opportunity to bring the unique skills from Unipart that they've developed as the predominant supply chain railway experience in the UK to the African railways. And we have got a lot of products and services that we can offer that will unlock a lot of value, specifically around the supply chain and spare parts areas for all the different African railways. And it's very exciting, and we can't wait to transfer that value to the clients and help them make them supply chains more efficient and make sure that they've got a lot of availability of spare parts and a lot of products. And the value we get from Unipart is to help us to localize that throughout Africa and make sure that we grow the railway market throughout the whole of Africa.